Class we have seen singly linked list. Yes, I told there are many types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly, and circular linked list. So yesterday we have seen few operations of singly linked list. That is how we can create a node. That is structure definition. How we can create a number of nodes. How I can insert at the beginning. How I can insert at the end. How I can insert a node in between. In same way, you can delete a node at any position. Before that, you have to understand logically. Then same thing you have convert into program. So if you understand the logic, then it's very easy to write a program also. Okay. But without understanding, it is not at all easy to write even a single code. But if you understood, even if you do any mistake also, you can clear it or you can change it. Okay. And today we'll see doubly linked list as the word, the term itself explaining doubly linked list. In single linked list, each node can have connection to next node. Here, each node can have connection to next node, also the previous node. So here technically we'll call successor node and predecessor node. So each node can have two link. So left link I can have, and data also I can have right link. So each node contains three parts: left link, that is the address of the predecessor node; right link, that is the addresses of the successor node. So I can travel in both the direction. I can travel left to right, or I can travel right to left. So this option is possible here. In real time, where some applications need bidirectional search, that time I can use doubly linked list structure. Okay. Here also we can have many operations. I can create, I can insert, delete, traverse, same thing. So we'll see one by one. Just I'm showing the simple example of doubly linked list. So in singly linked list, we have only two data. What is that? One is data part, another one is address. That is address of the next node. Here we have data part, address part, that is next node address, also previous node's address, that is left link, also I have the right link, and I can have the data. Okay. Okay. So see here three nodes we are having. So consider this is a second node. What I'm having in left node, left pointer value in the second node. Pooja, can you tell what value I have in the second node?
Previous address, ma'am.
That
Previous
is
node's address.
exactly. What is that previous node's address? 100. So
100.
that I'm keeping here. So what is the right value I'm having in the same node? Praveeniam, are you there? Praveen. Praveen, both Praveen are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is this 300?
Ma'am, it's center node, ma'am.
That is right pointer. Right pointer is nothing but pointing to the next node. This is left pointer of this node. Left pointer is nothing but pointing to the previous node. Like this, I can have connection to the next node. Also, I can have connection to the previous node. That is called doubly linked list, where each node contains data part, where each node can contain data part as well as two pointers. One is to point the successor node and another one is to point the predecessor node. Okay. Okay. Now stay online, guys. 1 minute. I will take screenshot of all the students. Guys, don't change the order. Don't change the order. I'm screening screenshot. I'm taking screenshot. So don't type or don't do anything. Don't do anything. I'm just don't do anything, guys. Since I'm taking screenshot. See, we are keeping many records, okay? So don't think that only attendance is enough, okay? We got so many instructions. So you have to listen our classes, that is important. Okay. So in singly linked list, in structure definition, how many parts we had? Tojan, can you tell? In singly linked list, structure definition, what and all we had? Tojan, are you there?
We have data
Yeah.
and left and right.
In singly linked list, I'm asking.
Single.
Only data part and next part, that is next address. But here we have left pointer, also right pointer. Okay. So the structure definition will vary, that you have to understand. Left pointer, also right pointer. See, because each node contains three spaces, three field. One is left, data and right. And as usual, you are making start node as null. So we'll see how to get new node. Same kind of thing. Only little changes, whereas we have both pointers. See, same way we are creating new node reference and allocating memory, reading one data. Also, we are making left and right, both as null. Whereas in singly linked list, we have only one reference, so one we made null. But here we have two pointers, one is left, another one is right. So both we are making as a null initially. So each and every node creation, we have to make it as a null. So we'll see how we can create, how we can append at the end. Before that, you want to create n number of nodes. The same way what you have done in the singly linked list also. So you have to read n, how many nodes you want to create, and you have to call this get node method to create new node. And you're checking whether it is start null. Obviously, it means that should be the first node. Else, you have to reach the end, then doing the necessary changes. We'll see with one example, so we'll understand better. Okay. Guys, can you see this screen, paint screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you just imagine this is the linked list, doubly linked list node. How many nodes we have here? How many nodes we have here? 4 nodes. Initially, 4 nodes we are having. Now I want to insert this new node at the first position. Okay. Now I want to insert this node at the first position. Where until I want to do the changes? Where until I want to do the changes? So here I want to do the changes. Yes. Yes. For example, initially these two will be null. Initially, both the places, it will be null only. Okay. And also some changes. Consider the value 200 here. First, we'll understand the existing list first. Okay. So now listen, this is the first node. Yes, this is the first node. So first node's address where I'm putting, I put into header node. Yes, the first node address is what? The first node address is what?
100.
Triveni, can you tell what is the first node's address?
100, ma'am.
Bhavishri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Guys, after answering, please mute yourself so that it won't disturb everyone. Okay. Okay. Now, so 4 nodes we are having. So this is the first node now. But now I'm going to insert this new node to the first position. Can you everyone see this paint screen? Everyone? Unmute and answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So first, just logically tell what are the changes I should do. I want to do the changes. I want to change this place. Yes. And I want to change this new notes right also. What are the changes I should do? Understood where and all I should change? How we can do programmatically, we'll see. This we can refer with start. This we can refer with new node. See, for this is new node, this is start node. So what is the changes I should do? I should change the start node. Yes, I should change the start node. Then this node going to become first node. Yes, this node going to become a first node. So how I can change now? Here how we can change new nodes left, how I can change? What is the value of new nodes left should be? What is the value of new nodes left should be?
100 should be assigned to the
100.
right value.
100, ma'am.
Exactly.
100, ma'am.
100 where I can get that 100 where I can get? That is in start. Yes.
From the initial.
Exactly.
Yes,
That is new nodes left equal to start. Correct? New node left equal to start. Correct? Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, start. So many disturbance, Anna. Okay. So this is new node. Okay. This is new node. So what you told, new nodes left equal to start. Also, here also I want to change. That is start. This value also I want to change. Starts left equal to what value should be? Starts left equal to what value I should change?
500, ma'am.
500. That is 500 where I can get?
From
New node. New node because new node is
New node.
correct. So that is new nodes left. I'm sorry, new nodes right equal to start. Also, the starts left equal to new node. What is the one?
New node.
Yes. What is the one more change we have to do? The start will become
Head
start equal to
500.
New node.
exactly new node. That's all. That's all. See, now you'll understand.
Pointing to the left.
These three lines you understood? These three lines,
Yes, ma'am.
guys? Understood? Everyone? Sneha understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Supriya? Supriya, you got? Supriya, are you there? Else I will make note. Sonam? Sonam? You can unmute and
Yes,
talk.
ma'am.
Okay. So these three lines, everyone understood? Yes? The same way we
Yes,
have to,
ma'am.
if you want to insert at the beginning, you have to follow these three lines of code. That's all. Next, we'll see how to insert at the end of the code. Right after answering, please mute yourself so that it won't disturb us. Okay. So how we can achieve, we'll see with one example, how I can insert a node at the end. Okay. Same example we'll take. Initially 4 nodes are here. I want to insert this new node at the end. We will see how I can make. First we'll answer logically. So what are the changes I should do? So instead of null, what value should be? Instead of null, what value should be?
Address of
500.
new node, ma'am.
Very good, 500. And instead of this null, what value should be?
300.
Very good. Here, this value?
Null value.
Exactly.
Null, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll try to write a code for this. So if I want to insert at the end, first I want to reach the end. Yes, ma? I want to reach the end first. So I'm just using one while loop because I want to reach the end. So I'm just initializing start as temp. I'm just using this while loop. While temps right not equal to null, I'm just changing. Now this is temp now. Whether temps right equal to null? Whether temps
No.
No, ma'am.
no. So I'm just taking temp equal to temps, right? So I'm coming here. Whether temp right equal to null? No. So I'm changing temp equal to temp, right? Whether temps right equal to null? No. Then again I'm changing
No.
temp equal to temps right. Now whether temps right equal to null?
Yes.
So I'm stopping here. So now this node is our temp node. Okay. Now this node our temp node. So now let me know logically you tell. So temps right what value? Temps right equal to temps right. Now you want to change temp right equal to
500.
what? Programmatically tell temp right equal to
New node.
Node.
exactly. And this is new node. New nodes left equal to
Temp.
new nodes left. Guys, please mute yourself if disturbance are there around your place so that it won't disturb others. If you want to answer, unmute and tell again mute. Okay. Very good. Everyone are answering. Okay. So temps right equal to new node. Perfect.
Node.
And new nodes left equal to
Temp.
very good.
Temp.
Okay, so these two changes you want to do in same way. Any other changes you should do? No. Yes? Only temps right you want to change and new nodes left you
New
want to
nodes
change.
left.
Exactly. These two changes you are doing. Understood everyone? It is easy, right? No need to mug
Yes,
up.
ma'am.
Okay. You should not mug it up. Okay, if you understood, you no need to mug it up. That's all. Next, we'll see how I can insert the intermediate position. We will see. Okay. Okay. For example, same example we will take. Okay. Same example we will take. For example, I want to insert at the third position. Okay. For example, I want to insert here. At the third position, I want to insert. So for that, I want to reach this position. Okay. How I can use? First, I'm coming. First position. Second position, I'm coming. I'm stopping. Because third position, I want to insert. So I'm just traveling using some loop. If you see the code, you will understand. First, you want to reach that position. Okay. If you see the complete code, you will understand. First, you want to reach that position. Consider I reached this position. Consider this as temp now. Okay. This position I want to change. Now let me know how many changes I should do. Now this is temp node. This is the place I'm going to insert this new node. Where and all I want to change? Any idea where and all I want to change? I want to
Instead
change
of
here.
200,
Yes, instead of
we have to put new
what value should
value.
be 500. Yes.
New node address.
Oh,
500, ma'am.
here also I want to do the changes. What value should be?
Previous node address 400.
400 I want to change. What value should be here?
200.
200. Very good. What value should be here?
500.
500.
So how many changes I should do? 4
Four.
changes you
4.
want to make. Okay. So we will, yeah, 4 changes you want to make. One by one we'll make. First try to finish this new node left and right. So technically this is temp now. This is new node now. What is the new nodes left? What is the new nodes left? What is the new nodes left?
Temps address.
That is temp, correct. New nodes left equal to temp, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
New nodes left equal to temp. So now, what value will come here? What value will come here?
400.
400. Guys, everyone can answer. Without understanding, really you cannot make it out. So, okay. Now, new nodes right. What is the new nodes right equal to? New nodes right equal to?
200.
200 where I can get temps? Temps? Temp is 400. Where I can get
Right.
400? Exactly.
Temp plus
right.
1.
Temps right. Very good. That is new node left equal to temp. New node right equal to temps right. Correct, guys? Guys, are you getting
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now it will be 200. Okay. Okay. That is new node left equal to temp, new node, right equal to temps right. Now these two changes done. Now I will try to change this position. Okay. So what will be the value here? What I should change here? What I should change here? Here.
New node 500.
Okay. And what value should come here? Here. In this place, what value it will come? 500. Yes. We'll try to change this first. Okay. That is 200. Right. I want to change. Correct, guys? See, guys, you can answer me whenever I'm asking. And again,
Yes, ma'am.
again mute. Okay. Don't disturb others. Okay. Now, how I can get this 200? Where I can get this 200? Now, 200 left I want to change. Yes? Answer me yes. This 200 left I want to change. Yes, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
200
ma'am.
where I can get from the temp. That is
Temp of
temp,
right, ma'am.
temp right. Temp right means it will come here. Again, this left. That is temp
Yes, ma'am.
right
Temp of
left.
right of left.
Temps right left. That line you understood? Temp
Yes, ma'am.
right left. It means it will come here. What is the value I want to put? New node, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is temp left right equal to new node. See?
Temp
Understood?
right left, ma'am.
Temp right left equal to new node. This is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because when you are seeing this code, you should not get doubt. And only one more changes we should do. This is the place that is temp
Temp of right.
right. Temp right equal to what? Simple. New node. Correct.
New node.
That's all. So 4 changes we have done. What are the changes? New nodes left equal to temp.
Temp.
New node right equal to temps right.
Right.
Right
Very
of
good.
left.
Also temps right left
Left.
equal to
New node.
new node.
New
Or
node right.
also temps right equal to new node.
New node.
Everyone understood? Now we will see who and all understood. Paramita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, can you tell me what are the changes we have done?
Ma'am, first we have changed the new nodes to the temp
Very good.
and the new nodes right to the temps right.
Very good.
Ma'am, then we have changed to temp and then we have changed the right node to the new node.
Very good. Saniraj, are you there?
Yes,
Saniraj,
ma'am.
please let me know
Hello.
what are the changes we have done.
Yeah, ma'am. First, we have changed the first node to the temp position, ma'am.
Tell me in technically new nodes left, like that. So it will be
In the left node, ma'am.
yeah.
Then we had then we have yeah. Then we have add this left. First,
No, don't.
move that node, ma'am.
Mhm. Please listen
Hello.
carefully, ma. Puneet, can you tell me? Puneet,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. 4 changes. Let me know, ma.
4 changes in this, ma'am.
Yeah, all 4 changes. You just narrate.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, new nodes of left equals to
Okay.
temp.
Very good.
New node of right equals to temp of right.
Okay, very good.
And temp of right of left equals to new node.
Good.
And temp of right equals to new node.
Okay. Ram, can you narrate? Ram, can you narrate? Ram, can you narrate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me know all 4 changes.
But ma'am, actually internet always there, ma'am. I'm not listening to question.
Shivraj, see why I am repeatedly telling I can't explain everything, but the basic, if you understood perfectly, then no need of explanation at all. That is why I'm restricting this much. You have to understand this basic concept. Shivraj, can you narrate? Shivraj, can you narrate all 4 steps? Shivraj, are you there? Then I will consider you are not there. Priya, can you narrate? Number 12, Priya. Priya, can you narrate? Number 12, Priya V, I think.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
New node is equal to left of temp, and new node of right is equal to temp of right,
Okay.
and temp of right of left is equal to new node.
Okay,
Temp of
good.
right is equal to new node.
Good, very good. Okay, so everyone understood, right? We will proceed further. Saniraj, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Saniraj, Ram.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just listen, ma. Okay. Okay, we'll proceed
Okay,
with
ma'am.
now. Next, we'll see in same way. Same way, we have to insert at the end. So insert at the end means what are the changes you should do? For example, this I'm just okay.
Ma'am, new node left address should be given to the last node right.
Good. Okay. Only 2 changes we have to do. We'll see one by one. Okay. First, you have to reach the end. Okay. So for that, we are using while loop. So now this node will be our
Last node.
that is
Second
technically
last.
temp. Correct. Okay. Now this is new node. That is using while loop temps. We are changing the temp. Temp equal temps right. Temp equal temps right. Temp equal temps right. Since it is null, it will stop here. So what are the changes I should do? Temps right equal to
start.
temp right equal to temp right equal to what
No,
you said? New node. Correct.
New
Temp
node.
right equal because this new node going to be our last node. So temp right equal to new node. Very good. Now new nodes left equal to
Temp.
that's all. See, that's all. First, you are assigning to start reaching the null. Later, you are doing the 2 changes. Understood, guys? Everyone? Yes, all the steps you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So no need to mug up. Yes. If you understand the insertion, same way you can delete. You can delete at the beginning, or you can delete at the end, or you can delete at the intermediate position. Same kind of step. See, whenever they are using 3 reference, so you should not confuse. I explained clearly what this 3 navigation. Instead of putting 2 code, they made it as a single statement. Okay. So deletion also, you please make a look. You can understand. Traversal, I told we can do 2 directional traversal. You can traverse left to right as usual, just printing and you're changing the temp. Also, you can traverse right to left also. For that, first you have to reach the end, and from the end, which pointer you can access to move to right to left? Which pointer you want to access to move right to left?
Left.
Yes, if you want to move left to right, you want to access through right pointer. Yes, in opposite direction also you can do. For that you can access left pointer. So in doubly linked list, you can have both the direction, right to left, also left to right also you can have. Because we have both predecessor address, also successor address. Just I will narrate. We have seen doubly linked list. So it have data also to address paths. One is to left pointer, one is for pointing right node. Okay. And why we need this? We can do bidirectional search. So we need 2 address pointers. So where and all you want to do the changes? In structure definition, you want to do the changes. And in creation and insertion also, you want to do the necessary changes. So when insertion at the beginning, you can do the 2 changes. Whereas insertion at the end, you want to do the 2 changes. Whereas if you want to insert at the middle portion, you want to change the 4 place address. So in deletion also same way, you just go through the deletion. Deletion also same way, you want to do the change. Because if you understood the insertion, then you can do the easily at the deletion.